African is a special word. It tells about people, places, and things from Africa. Today, let's learn what African means in a simple way. African means something or someone that comes from Africa. It can describe people, food, music, or culture from that continent. African means from Africa. It shows where something or someone belongs. Africa is a large continent on the world map. It is below Europe and next to Asia. Africa is very big. It has many countries, people, and different kinds of land. People who come from Africa are called African. They live in many parts of the continent. Some African countries are Egypt, Nigeria, Kenya, and South Africa. Each country has its own culture and language. People in Africa speak many languages like Arabic, Swahili, Hausa, and Zulu. Each language is special and important. African culture is rich and diverse. It includes music, dance, food, art, and traditions. Africa is home to many animals like elephants, lions, and giraffes. These animals live in the wild. African food is full of flavor. Some popular dishes are Injera, jollof rice, and tagine. African music is lively and full of rhythm. Instruments like drums, bira, and kora make beautiful sounds. African clothes are colorful and beautiful. People wear bright fabrics with special patterns. There are more than 1,000 languages spoken in Africa. This shows how diverse the continent is. African people have many different skin colors. All are beautiful and show the variety of people in Africa. Some big cities in Africa are Cairo, Lagos, Nairobi, and Johannesburg. These cities are busy and full of life. Africa has many kinds of nature. There are deserts, rainforests, and wide grasslands called savannas. African traditions include weddings, festivals, and storytelling. These bring families and communities together. Africa has a long and rich history. It is one of the oldest places where people lived. African art is special. It includes masks, paintings, and sculptures that tell stories and show creativity. Sports are very popular in Africa. Many people love soccer and running. Family is very important in African life. People care for each other and stay close. African animals are wild and strong. Lions, zebras, and hippos live freely in nature. Languages help African people talk, share ideas, and understand each other. African food is tasty and full of spices. It brings people together during meals. African music makes people happy. It is used in celebrations and daily life. African clothes show culture and identity. They tell where people come from and what they believe. Africa has many amazing places to visit, like the pyramids in Egypt and Victoria Falls. In summary, African means from Africa. It includes many people, languages, and cultures. Africa is full of life and beauty. Thank you for learning about the word African today. Are there any questions about what African means?